how to use Trello for team collaboration. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to manage tasks, streamline teamwork, and boost productivity, Trello is the perfect tool. Today, we'll go over how to use Trello effectively for team collaboration. Setting up your Trello workspace. Start by creating a Trello board for your team. Each board represents a project, with lists organizing different stages of work, such as to-do, in progress, and completed. Creating and assigning tasks. Add cards to represent tasks. Then assign team members, set due dates, and attach files. You can also add labels and checklists to keep things organized. Using comments and notifications. Team members can leave comments on cards to discuss progress, ask questions, or provide updates. Trello also sends real-time notifications to keep everyone in the loop. Integrating with other tools. Trello works with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier to enhance workflow automation, making collaboration even smoother. Tracking progress with power-ups. Use power-ups like calendar view, automation, and analytics to track deadlines and optimize team efficiency. Trello simplifies teamwork by keeping everything organized and accessible. Try it out and see how it transforms your team's workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.